Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to connect Facebook to Roblox. Now you might have a Roblox account and you also have a Facebook account and you want to connect both of them. How do you do it? Follow the steps and you'll be able to do it. The first thing you need to do is open up your Roblox app on your mobile phone, and then at the bottom tap on the more icon, then tap on settings. I'm using dark theme. In case you want to know how to use dark theme, check out my video on how to use dark mode or dark theme on Roblox. Next thing you do is from here, tap on account information. Remember, we want to connect Facebook to Roblox. The next thing, scroll down. I want to quickly change to light theme so it will be easier for you to see. And as you can see, after that we have social network, Facebook. So you tap it in your Facebook, you tap www.facebook.com/Roblox. That's an example. So you put in your Facebook account information there and / it with Roblox. Let's say my Facebook is TKC, for example, 1234. Then I'll do / and I'll do Roblox. That's it. It's as simple as that. Once you've done that, tap on save. So it has been saved. So you can see that the Facebook profile URL is invalid because I actually put an invalid one. If you put the right one, you'll be able to do it easily. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Don't forget to subscribe, very important, and to hit the notification bell because that is how you get our latest videos. And believe me, they are all important. See you in the next video. Bye for now.